Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to let your followers see which spaces you're listening to on your account on X Twitter easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy. Now click privacy and safety, and here we find spaces settings. Click on it, and here just click on and that's it. That's how to let followers see which spaces you are listening to on your account on X Twitter, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.